toilet cleaner in a metro station or bloody CEO in a big company. Right. Alrighty. So. Froze.
Turn back where possible, then veer right.
Yeah, I was thinking whether to keep the camera rolling. Yeah, keep it for just for a bit. It's so strange. I always come at night here, and during the day everything looks different. And as well, the way I'm maneuvering, you know, I'm so used to get to some at night to see only some stuff around. It takes only some referment points of reference, or whatever you want to call it. A bit different now. It's more traffic as well, which is doesn't make it very easy. I feel bad what I said before about cops, you know, but yeah, it didn't really mean that. Bloody speed cameras though. I hate speed cameras. All cops out there, thanks guys, keeping us safe, especially in some really tough situations. Didn't mean to say that. Fuck it up. Sorry. Right, next target. Here we go. Ah, beautiful. First time that I see this road on during daylight. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Every day, it's a beautiful day. And it gets better and better and better.
Recalculation. Recalculation. After 180 meters, enter and take the second exit.
What I'm gonna do later, if I'm I go close by, I will try to retrieve my gloves. Maybe they're still there on the sidewalk, but only if the route goes
Turn sharp right after
close by
850 meters.
that previous pickup point.
After 300 meters, turn sharp right.
Can really see the difference between night and day. Not many green traffic lights. Definitely the whole operation slowed down. Here we go, another red. Yeah.
After 50 meters, turn sharp
Anyway, I really needed to sleep yesterday. I was really tired. Let this guy go.
Prepare to leave the motorway.
No,
After 2
you don't
kilometers.
want to cross. Went to the other side. The sun in the side mirror is blinding. Gotta put my sunnies soon. Oh well, let's do it. Power, power, true. Power. More power. And a happy dog with a happy guy, and a happy dog with a happy guy, a happy dog, a happy guy, and a happy dog with a happy guy, a happy dog, happy guy, a happy. That was this song on TikTok the other day. It's kind of gone viral. Always saying this happy guy with a happy dog and a happy guy. A happy dog, a happy guy. Good night. Definitely need my sunnies. It's getting really bright, but beautiful, beautiful, bright and beautiful. The light embracing the warmth of the sun, embracing the day
You've reached your
as
destination.
life in Down Under goes on and on. What was that? So here actually they want cardboard as well. So let's make them happy. Lots of people around now, so put a hazard light, beacon light on the back, 6 o'clock. Wow, you guys seen that? Guy on a wheelchair just passed right under. My goodness. Thanks God I didn't lower the beam. Oof. I would have crushed him, end up in jail. And that, ladies and gentlemen, can be the karma of life. I guess it wasn't my turn. Wow, it's amazing. Some people have zero sense of